Hi, Miss Rising. Today I will extract for question 1D, which is from question past year, second semester on 2023. The question asks us to determine of three prices commodities necessary. These are the questions, and the questions ask us to show all the steps, which is X equal before. The second one is finding, which is determining the coefficient matrix. And the third one is joint A. And the second last question is have to find the vector. And the last one is find the P3 for using equivalence rules. Let's go. The first step, which is the form. So the form is easy. We have to divide with 3, which is 4, 8. We have to put the 2, 3, 3 minus 5, 2, 55, 3, and 2. For the x, we have to put beside the number, which is P1, P2, and P3. For the b, we have to include the total. It's 12, 15, and 17. Okay. We have to complete the first step. The second step is find the A. Before we find the A, we have to see the form for A right here. Okay, how we find the A, which is the first row, we have to pick and decline the first line. What we get? -5, 2, 3, 2, right? But we have to put the number out of bracket, which is we have to put the first one, which is 2. And the bracket, -5 multiplied 2 minus 2 plus 3. Okay. As you can see that. So minus. Why we have to put minus? Oh, minus. Right here. The position is A12, which is 1 plus 2 is 3. This number weird. Number old. A number old. So we have to put minus right here. So the second number out of bracket, which is we have to put a 4 right here, and we have to pick the 4. As you can see, 3 minus 1, 2, 2. So just we put it here. Easy, right? Okay, after that, we have to put the rest because right here the position is 8 plus 3, which is 4. 4. So we have to put the plus. Okay, right? What the number of the bracket, which is the -3. In the bracket, as you can see, 3 multiply 3 minus -5 minus -1. So easy, right? After that, resolve the questions. Okay, the last one is -76. We don't know. We have to put it right there beside the -76, which is not equal to what? To 0, because it is non-singular. Okay. Then the first, the second. Okay. Like that. For example A, okay, we have to find the just well, we have to divide. Okay, we put the plus or minus right here. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay. What we're gonna do right here in the bracket, we have to put it the number It's the numbers. I put it again. 2, 4 minus 3, 3 minus 5, 2 minus 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the number. How we put it right here? Just like to put it on the second step, which is 1A. Just we decline the first row and decline the first line. What we get? Negative 5, 2, 3, 2. Okay. After we decline the line, the first line, we decline the second line. What we get? What we see? 3, 1, 2, 2. Okay. After we decline the second line, we decline the third line. What we see? 3 minus 5, negative 3. Just that. Okay, we finish it here. When we finish both, we have to multiply across. So we can multiply and simplify that. After that, we get 76, 70, sorry, negative 60, negative 8, negative 4. So we get 4, 10, 2. We get it. This is the second step. Yeah, this is the second step. Okay, the formula is A minus 1 equal bracket 1 divide the total of the second step. Multiply and join A. Okay. So just we put it here, 76, multiply and join A, we get 60, 7, 8, 1, 50, 4, 10, 22. Okay, right here, we put it the total on the B form, which is 12, 57. How are we going to solve it? We have to multiply the line, the row and the line, which is negative 60 multiply 12. We get negative 92 plus negative 60 multiply 18. We get minus 221 plus negative 7 multiply 70. We get 119. Just it. So we have to solve it. Solve it. Just divide. We get 746. This is amount for P1, 2, and P3. Okay, are we clear? We get the amount for P1, P2, and P3. So we have to clear the second and fourth step. The last step, we have to put the last line. The first and second line, what we put? Just put the number to the number in the questions. Okay, right here. So how we gonna calculate it? Just we calculate it like just a join B. It's the first line, first row, the cross line, so we get to just be different numbers. The final answer is negative 456. We don't know. The total, we have to put it under the formula, which is A3 divide E. Then we get the B3. A3, we have to put it the total that we will get it right here. This is minus 486 divided 40. The total of A, we have to put it there. Negative 76, so we get the 6. Just that answer. So we clear the all of steps.